हेलो गाइस, वेलकम इन लर्न फास्टर। आज की वीडियो में हम जानेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ प्रीपोजिशन के बारे में। प्रीपोजिशन। अ प्रीपोजिशन इज अ वर्ड ऑफन प्लेस्ड अ नाउन और pronoun to show its relation with some other word in a sentence. It describes place, time or direction. There are 5 different types of preposition. Names are simple preposition, double preposition, compound preposition, participle preposition, phrase preposition. First, simple preposition. These prepositions are constructed by only one word and are used to describe the location, time or place. Includes in, of, over, under, at, on, near, down, through. For example, he found box on the table in the study room. Double preposition. These prepositions are formed by combining two words or two simple prepositions and used together. Includes onto, into, upon, out of, without, from, within, up to. For example, the dog jumped onto the bed and left marks upon the sheets. Third, participle preposition. Participles are actually verbs that ending with ed or ing. Includes concerning, considering, during, following, including, frustrated, provided. For example, he was listening during lecture. Fourth, phrase preposition. A combination of the preposition, a modifier and the object. Used to modify the noun, verbs or sentences. Includes on time, at home, under the bed, before work, after school, near the house, towards the road. For example, she went to the park after school. Fifth, compound preposition. These prepositions are two words preposition. Generally a simple preposition and another word. Includes in addition to, because of, in the middle of, across from, on behalf of, from beneath, in front of, according to, aside from, as of. For example, he was upset because of his son's behavior. Now we can separate preposition in 4 categories. We have time, moment, location, manner. In the time we include at, after, before, during, from, on, past, since, to, until, upon. In the moment we include against, around, along, down, from, into, off, on, onto, out of, towards, up, upon. In the location we include above, below, behind, beside, between, by, inside, in, near, on, over, under, through. In manner we include as, by, in, with, like, on. Now there is more than 100 common prepositions listed as about, above, according to, across, after, against, along with, among, apart from, around, as to, as well as, aside from, at, because of, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, beyond, by mean of, by way of, concerning, despite, down, due to, during, except for, accepting, excluding, following, for, from, in addition to, in case of, in front of, in place of, in regard to, in spite of, including, inside of, into, like, near, next to, off, on account of, onto, on top of, out of, outside, over, past, regarding, round, since, through, throughout, till, to, towards, under, underneath, unlike, until, up, upon, up to, with reference to, within, with respect to, without. So guys, in this video we have learned the types of preposition. I hope this video is helpful for you and you have learned something. So please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and share this video with your friends. Thank you.